Hello everyone. Today AZ Technology will talk about something that has been of interest to many people recently. We've all seen the headlines, heard the whispers of uncertainty in the world, from political unrest to environmental changes. The news is filled with stories that make us question our safety. Natural disasters, economic turmoil, you name it. These events can strike without warning, leaving us feeling vulnerable and unprepared. It's enough to make anyone consider their options, their backup plans. How do we protect our loved ones and ensure their safety in times of crisis? Today, we're diving into a world most people only see in movies: private bunkers. These structures are becoming more common as people seek ways to safeguard their futures. These aren't the stuff of doomsday preppers with tinfoil hats. Modern bunkers are sophisticated, high-tech, and designed with comfort in mind. These are real-life safe havens, built by everyday people with families and futures they want to protect. They offer a sense of security and peace of mind. Bunkers serve as a safe haven in times of crisis, providing protection from natural disasters, nuclear fallout, and other emergencies. They are equipped with essential supplies like food, water, and medical kits, ensuring survival for extended periods. Now, some folks might call it extreme, but I see it as practical. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. Modern bunkers also come with amenities that make them comfortable and livable, turning them into a home away from home during emergencies. It's a way to ensure that no matter what happens, you have a plan and a place to keep your loved ones safe. Let's be clear, building a bunker isn't about giving in to fear, it's about taking responsibility. It's about looking at the world, acknowledging the potential risks, and saying, I'm going to be ready. These aren't massive, government-funded shelters. We're talking about smaller, self-contained units, often built on private property. They're designed to house individuals or families for extended periods, offering protection from a range of threats. It's about peace of mind, knowing you have a secure place to go if the power grid goes down, if a natural disaster strikes, or if the world throws you a curveball you never saw coming. Now, every bunker is different. They're tailored to the specific needs and concerns of the people building them. Some folks are worried about natural disasters, so they focus on earthquake-resistant construction and flood protection. Others might be concerned about social unrest, so they prioritize security features and self-sufficiency. But the core elements remain the same, creating a safe, habitable space that can sustain life for an extended period. We're talking about things like air filtration systems to keep the air clean, backup generators for power, and water filtration and storage solutions. It's about creating a self-sufficient environment where you can weather the storm, whatever that storm may be. Think about the basic necessities of life: air, water, food. A bunker needs to provide all three in a crisis. Air filtration systems remove contaminants, ensuring breathable air even if the outside world is hazardous. Water filtration and storage are crucial, allowing for long-term survival without relying on external sources. And of course, you need food. Long-lasting supplies like canned goods, dried foods, and multivitamins are essential for maintaining health and morale. It's about planning for the long haul, being able to sustain yourself and your loved ones until it's safe to return to the world above. A touch of home underground. Now, just because you're underground doesn't mean you have to live in a concrete box. In fact, many modern bunkers are designed with comfort and livability in mind. Many bunkers are surprisingly comfortable, even cozy. They can be furnished with all the amenities you would expect in a regular home. Think of it like building a small, self-sufficient apartment. Everything you need to live comfortably can be included. You've got your basic living spaces, bedrooms, a kitchen area, a bathroom. These spaces are designed to be functional and efficient, but it's the personal touches that make a difference. Adding your own style and personality can transform the space. Family photos on the walls, bookshelves stocked with favorites, and personal items can make it feel like home, maybe even a small garden to bring in some greenery. Plants can add life and a sense of normalcy to the space. It's about maintaining a sense of normalcy, of home, even in extraordinary circumstances. Creating a space that feels familiar can be incredibly comforting, because when the world outside is chaotic, having a place that feels familiar, that feels safe, can make all the difference. It's about creating a sanctuary where you can feel secure and at peace. Beyond the essentials, luxury, and lockdown, Now, I'm not saying everyone's building underground mansions here, but for some, a bunker isn't just about survival, it's about maintaining a certain standard of living, even in a crisis. We're talking about things like entertainment systems, fitness areas, even swimming pools or private theaters. It's about creating a space where you can ride out the storm in comfort, without sacrificing the things you enjoy. Look, I get it. For some folks, it's hard to imagine a swimming pool as a necessity, but when you're facing an uncertain future, a little luxury can go a long way in maintaining morale and hope. The price of peace of mind. Now, let's talk cost. Building a bunker isn't cheap. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars for a basic setup, and the price tag can climb quickly depending on size, features, and customization. But for many, it's an investment worth making. It's about putting a price on peace of mind, on knowing you have a safe haven for yourself and your loved ones, no matter what the future holds. It's a personal decision, one that each individual has to make for themselves. But in a world where uncertainty seems to be the only constant, it's a choice that more and more people are making. A testament to human ingenuity. At the end of the day, bunkers are more than just concrete and steel. They represent the culmination of human effort, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of safety. They're a testament to human ingenuity, our drive to protect ourselves and those we love. These structures are built with precision, care, and a deep understanding of the challenges we might face. They're a reminder that even in the face of uncertainty, we have the power to adapt, to innovate, to create our own security. The process involves countless hours of planning, designing, and constructing, all aimed at ensuring our safety. So the next time you hear about a private bunker, don't think of it as some doomsday fantasy. Instead, see it as a symbol of our resilience and foresight. Think of it as a testament to human resilience, our ability to face the unknown head-on and say, we're ready. These bunkers are equipped with everything needed to sustain life, from food supplies to advanced technology, and that's a kind of hope we can all get behind. It's a hope that transcends fear, a hope that unites us in our common goal of survival and well-being. Keep it dirty, but keep it safe out there. Mike Rowe, signing off. Remember, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving in the face of adversity.